Looking for a simple way to host a powerful family event? SNS Worldwide has you covered. Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha Hayes, educator, parent, and founder of Beyond the Screen Families. And I want to show you the Family Engagement Event Kit supporting literacy. These turnkey kits are built for K through 3 and make family events easy to host, fun to run, and impactful for learning. Each kit comes with a planning guide and for a ready-to-go station. At the book station, families read, discuss, and explore together. The game station includes fun games to build literacy and connection. The craft station has families create and collaborate. And the activity station includes hands-on learning to reinforce key skills. And the event itself, beyond that, these kits help parents understand how to keep learning alive, fun, and active at home, so the impact lasts long after families leave. The kit also includes 60 journals and pencils for keepsakes, with refillable kits available to keep the program going. When I first opened this, I thought, where was this when I was an administrator? It's a true time saver. Every detail is covered so you can focus on what matters: engaging families, sparking curiosity, and making learning joyful. The Family Engagement Event Kit from SNS Worldwide is your turnkey solution to make your next family night easy, memorable, and impactful.